Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer Trust Wallet to Binance. First, ensure both your Trust Wallet and Binance accounts are ready and verified. You'll need to confirm that the specific cryptocurrency you plan to move is supported on both platforms to avoid any issues. This guide will walk you through each step, making the process straightforward and secure. We'll cover everything from finding your deposit address to confirming the transaction. Next, open your Binance application and navigate to the deposit section. Here, you'll need to carefully select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to receive from your Trust Wallet. It's absolutely crucial to choose the correct network for your deposit. For example, if you're sending BNB, ensure you select the Binance Smart Chain network on both ends. Copy this unique deposit address. Now open your Trust Wallet and select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Tap the Send button, then paste the Binance deposit address you just copied into the recipient field. Enter the exact amount you wish to transfer. Before proceeding, take a moment to thoroughly review all the transaction details, including the address, network, and amount, to prevent any errors. Finally, give everything one last double check: the recipient address, the chosen network, and the transfer amount. Once you are absolutely certain, confirm the transaction. Be mindful that network fees will apply, and these can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Your funds should appear in your Binance account shortly. For more helpful tips and other great deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, make sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.